Greetings everyone. So in today's video we'll be looking at the drawing that is in front of you. Luckily this one they gave us as 3D, not 2D. But it's not that simple. It might be complicated. Yeah, the 3D. The only problem with the 3D is that some parts they may be deeper than you think, but you want to know how deep they are. For instance, I can see here we have a hole with a diameter of 10 millimeters, but I don't know whether that hole runs all the way down, but I will assume that it doesn't because I can't see anything key and I'm assuming that if it was running all the way down, I was supposed to see, I was supposed to see maybe something here like a hole, but I can't see it. So there's another one here. We don't know how deep is the soul, how deep does it get inside the thing, how deep is it get going in, right? So yeah, assumption. We will have to use assumption. We don't have any other choice. We'll assume yes. So yes, let's get into today's business. So we use the two center rectangle as you have seen it. The reason why I like this is because it automatically constrains the rectangle. It's easy for it to constrain it, more especially if you're gonna start drawing it from the center point. And then what else? Your side view is 16 plus 63 is 79. And then we can just create our polygon here. How many sides does it have? One, two, three, four, five, six. It has 6 sides. Okay. What is now is that it is somewhere here, but we don't know how big is it. The, how far is it? And so we know that from here to here, so roughly 13 millimeters. Turning it like that. Let's try to constrain it and see can we put it to in here. But it looks like no, we can't. So let's start by constructing the line. The reason why it doesn't move is because automatically I print it by placing the second point exactly at the intersection here where the line intersects this one. So I was not supposed to do that. How should we do it? Let's just draw it. Yeah, that's not too much. Let us just draw it there. And then I want this line Then the same point as this one, and I also want something to here, to that line, to 30 millimeters. Then you see what is happening. And then I want that point to be aligned with that one. I want that point. Then now we come to, and I want it to, if we delete this, I don't so yes, that's it. Then in here to nothing to 13. Now it's black, meaning it's well constrained. What else can we add? Nothing. Finish. The reason why I use the X plane is because I don't know, I was starting with the basis, so I didn't want my object to be hanging the line, the side view, wara. So that's why I decided to draw it exactly on the ZX plane. But you can use the XY plane if you want to really 18 millimeters. Then let me hit the plane. Just like I want to create a sketch. That's right. So then you type then 720. Don't forget that. Then you're told that the part that is at the top, it runs from the base to from the top of the base up until 82 meters, and from 82 meters it runs with the radius of 22 meters, which is roughly 82 plus 2, which is 104. So we can just use something that is like a construction line here that is going to start exactly here going all the way up. Your angle must be 90 degrees, and then you must stop using your mouse. Your millimeters there you can see that's the only thing that you can change because it's green. The white part you cannot change it for now. And you can see that it's constrained with the feature that you can see there. You can see I think four things now on the line that I just drawn. You can see 90 degrees, the yellow part, not for actually yellow, and also the vertical constraint, and then the 15 millimeters, 55 millimeters, the one that you can adjust. So change it to 82 and then press enter. So if you're doing that, don't move your mouse. Just click OK. Then at that point, you want to draw something that is like an arc. The arc is radius of 22. Once the angle, find it 2108. That. That's one, not the construction line. And then listen. And then you have to draw lines here that will run from the part to the bottom. Let's switch off the constraint feature because those are unnecessary problems. So Yeah, that's how you switch it off. Then one this party to this, and then this line to this, then I want to put C, C, and don't want to throw it away. You can sort of just protect it. Make sure that that part starts exactly, and then you can see now it doesn't start. You can move it now. Yeah, you can manually move, but make sure that you everything is the same. Then if you are lazy like me, you can do the 20, 10, 20, or the current website, and then you can go to the mirror line, that one, flag, you're done, go and trim, okay, okay, okay. Then let's open the square thing that looks like a window here. So already the point here, but let's use the 2 point center because it's easy for that to use it. And then it will constrain itself. It's a nice thing that, but I don't want the center line. So let's deactivate it by clicking the click on the 2 point center rectangle. They showed you the actually something that is better than giving you. It's a square actually. Yeah, it's a square. So they gave you a shape. Now, if you have noticed something, as I was doing this, my drawing also that everything is clear. What does it mean? Can you see? That's what happens if your drawing is not well constant. You keep on moving. So if you wanted to stop the cutting, just constraint. Okay. If you can't constrain, lock it at least. Now I've locked it. So I'm doing it. We are locking the line and don't want it. Only if we are shorter, we are constrained it. You see? What is not locked can still be. That's it. That's like that. And finish. That's it. Can't take this part. You know why? The part that I projected here, it's not the real life. It's projected it as a construction line. So I'm trying to change, excuse me, to a real line. So, construction, click on it, right click, then now we're switching it off. Click on. Or else we can just try it. Yeah, we can try it. And let's finish this page. Enter the website. The extrusion, how thick is that part? Then, yeah, then we need to open another one. But this one is very simple to open. So we start with it. Start the end. Go to the end again. Go to the page. and paste it, paste. Now let me just type it down it again. Fine. Or later the part must be okay. Here go down. Must be what was the signal? 10 divided by 2? 9. Like that. So as I said, we don't know how deep is the hole. So I will just assume that it goes to the whole object. So it's okay. Then I have to open my file. So use my plane. So plane offset from plane origin XY. Y is the call. X XY. That's why I want to put in the plane. Select your plane, let's click on the plane, open the origin, and then you click. After left clicking, okay, click here. Yes, you click. Then you click on it, tell them to create a sketch on the plane. That's how it is. Let's click that one. And then as I said, F and F7, it cuts the object. So it just that the object, it cuts the part that is the present in front here, then on that side, front or behind it. I'm not sure, but I can move it straight behind the plane. So that's how it cuts it. And then here we need to open a hole, remember? And then we also need to draw a rip, is a rip. So that's the reason. Transport 45 meters going up, 45 millimeters. So connect. But you can. Yeah, you can. Okay. I don't know. And 26. There is also another way of creating the reef actually. This picture here. You can create it. So most of the things that we do on a 2D, you can also just do them with 3D model. You don't have to sketch some, but you might have to sketch, but not all of them. There are so many ways of killing. As long as it's bad, that's what we do. So here, let me show you something that is very interesting because I know some of you will come to close this line or open this hole with the different method. We all know it. It's simple and quick. Click on that part, you open a whole method from the top. It runs all the way down, not all the way down to the bottom, but it ends somewhere here. But let's see. What if, what if I can draw a center line? Yeah? And change this line to center line. Yeah? And draw another line. Here. So, and then what if I can set the distance between these? I want it to be 10. What if, and then what if I can draw so, so, and trim this part, trim this part, trim, trim this part, and finish. What if I can, and then I come to the report feature and I tell it that I want to report that one. And my area is that one, and I want to cut. What if I can do that? I'm just asking, what if? I'm joking, guys. Anyways, you can do it like that. You can also do what you think is easy, getting the object like this, and clicking on the start and the whole can do that. So I'm not done here. Let me click on it. I'm not done. Let me go to the vault and I want to make it completely. Click add. You're not supposed to finish. Then we want to exclude that part. We're not cutting, we're excluding metric. Enter. It won't work. It won't. Exclude. Wait. It's not this guy variable. Sketch. Exclude. Start. Metric. Let's try to say. Even if you can the same step. Visibility. So yeah, that's it, guys. So that's how we can draw this file. Yeah, it didn't change anything actually. Spongy is still on that side. Um, yeah, I think he used it XZ plane. Excuse me, even if you click on this box, the spongy is still connected to this one. Yeah, nothing is going to change. If you also like me to take this one to a drawing paper, can take it and see how we can play around with it. We'll make mistakes. So this is so DW is just a drawing paper that the drawing paper that is the front, the top is going to be here, but I want the face, there is no face, let me also place my face. Then okay, things to very don't I say and to bring separation. So it looks like, yeah, then let me shade it. But yeah, so going to like this. So that lower is the ratio. And yeah, we'll write that here. So yeah, that's how it looks like. I like placing my drawings on a drawing paper because it shows me if I'm wrong or I can see. With the lines don't lie. They don't. But if it's a solid operation, I think I done a very good job. Only to find out that when you are turning the thing and placing the views there, some lines are crossing others, the lines are overlapping, you've done something, nothing but the mess. So, in order for you to check whether done a good job, you must do this. Place it on a drawing paper, check. Yeah. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. More videos are coming and yeah, we are as CADVentor artists, we want to make sure that you gain from our understanding in the way we understand drawing. You want to make sure that you develop some knowledge. And if it does, and if you do benefit, if what we are doing, it benefits you, please also help us by growing the channel. Don't forget to like. Even if you didn't like, just subscribe. You see, please subscribe. Thank you.